How to do picture-in-picture mode on YouTube, or how to enable picture-in-picture mode on YouTube. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can do the picture-in-picture mode on YouTube. Now, there's two different ways that you can enable the picture-on-picture mode on YouTube. The first is the premium. As you know, the PIP, or the picture-in-picture mode on YouTube, is the premium feature, so you'll have to get the YouTube Premium. So once you have the YouTube Premium, if you open up any video and if you simply head back to any other apps, or if you just open up any apps from your notification bar, then your YouTube will automatically play on the PIP mode. However, if you don't have the YouTube Premium, right? If you don't want the YouTube Premium, then what you can do is you can simply open up YouTube and then head into your background apps option. You can see I have one active. Then you can tap and hold on the YouTube, and then you can see it says drop here for pop-up preview. You can simply drop it there, and now you can see it has been enabled. Now you can play any one video from here, and once you play the video on YouTube, or if you can change its size as well. You can simply tap on it and you can enable make it bigger or smaller, and then in the background you can use any other apps such as Instagram and Facebook. So this way you can enable the picture-in-picture on YouTube. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.